Have you ever wondered how your car stays steady on the road? It's all about the suspension system. This system is crucial for your car's safety and performance. If you ignore issues, it could cost you more than just a repair bill. Let's explore how to spot when your car needs suspension repair. The suspension system acts as a middleman between your wheels and your car. Its job includes absorbing shocks, keeping tires in contact with the road, distributing weight evenly, and improving handling. Main components like shocks, springs, control arm, struts, and bushings work together to ensure a smooth ride. When one part fails, it affects the entire system. Recognizing early signs of suspension problems is vital. If your ride becomes rough, it could mean worn shocks or struts. You might feel each bump more distinctly. If the car pulls to one side, this could indicate suspension misalignment. Uneven tire wear can lead to costly blowouts, signaling that the suspension needs attention. Additionally, if your car dives forward when braking, your shocks might be failing. Strange noises when hitting bumps are also strong indicators of suspension issues. What about the costs of repairs? The prices vary based on vehicle type and damage level. Shock or strut replacement ranges from $800 to $1,500 for all four. Ball joint replacements are around $550 to $700, while control arm replacements can cost $900 to $1,400. A full suspension overhaul may set you back $2,000 to $5,000 or more. Ignoring suspension problems leads to serious risks. Reduced braking performance makes it harder to stop, while loss of control can cause dangerous situations. Uneven tire wear leads to frequent replacements, and the increased accident risk could endanger you and others on the road. Even minor accidents can bend suspension parts, so regular checks are important. Visiting an auto repair shop after an accident is essential to ensure your suspension is safe. How often should you inspect it? Every 15,000 to 30,000 miles during routine maintenance, after any accidents, and whenever you notice unusual signs. Getting an inspection costs little and can help prevent expensive repairs. Choose your auto repair shop wisely. Look for certified technicians, warranties on parts and labor, transparent pricing, and good reviews. If you experience signs of suspension issues, schedule an inspection immediately. Protect your safety and the longevity of your vehicle. Don't wait until it's too late. Take action now. If you liked the video, subscribe for more video like this.